This Real Estate Advantage property video is presented by Jonathan Ray. This beautiful Cape Cod nestled on over 3 acres is a perfect getaway, yet conveniently located only a few miles away. Everything the city has to offer. When you walk in, there is new flooring throughout the main floor. Cozy living area, but an open floor plan from the kitchen and dining room. New countertops in the kitchen. Bathroom has also been updated, and the attention to detail throughout this home is apparent. As you walk through the kitchen, it brings you to a laundry room off of the kitchen that offers great convenience. Cute first floor bedroom. Upstairs brings you to a spacious master bedroom with tons of closet and storage space. Spacious basement that has an exit door and could easily be fully finished and converted into a den or extra bedrooms. The backyard and acreage is an incredible addition to this already great home. Perfect for